Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add your domain to Growthedge CRM. Adding a custom domain is essential for branding and professional communication, so let's get started. Once you're logged in, locate the left sidebar menu, scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Domains, then click on the Add Domain button. A pop-up window will appear. Enter your domain name, for example, easycreditsolutions.com. In the provided field and click Add. Growthedge CRM will provide you with DNS records that you need to add to your domain registrar. These usually include A records and CNAME records. Now, open a new tab and go to your domain registrar's website like GoDaddy or Namecheap and log into your account. Navigate to the DNS management page for your domain. Add the A records and CNAME records provided by Growthedge CRM. Be sure to save the changes. Now, return to the Growthedge CRM settings page where you added the domain and click on the Verify button next to your domain name. Growthedge CRM will check if the DNS records are correctly configured. This may take a few minutes. Once verified, Growthedge CRM will finalize the domain setup. You may need to wait a bit for the DNS changes to propagate. And that's it! You've successfully added your domain to Growthedge CRM. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to our support department. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.